So hi guys, I'm gonna show you now how we're gonna do curl in this hair with curling iron. Yes, so to make a movement here, first you need to hold it like that and just like that, so you get a movement in the roots. You see that? So after making the movement and the roots, then you take the hair and turn again, turn till the hair is finished. So you need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all what you need to do. And leave the hair. You see? You get a beautiful, nice, lovely curl here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll post more video like this. If you like it, let me know, guys. So thank you. Bye bye.